Oh, they can hear.
Yeah. We're going.
All right.
You see, that is my dad's handwritten document, but it's my name.
Okay, show me. Show me. Let's move over there. Where?
It says cat. My name.
And that's why we got a cat right here helping out. Just doing the intro, and then I gotta take over, okay?
Yes, there is.
There's lots of stuff I gotta talk about. Momo, you wanna come here for the intro? We see Momo out there. You wanna come up for the intro? Come here. We only got 30 seconds, Baba. Big step. Oh man, she's moving like a snail. It's just snailing. Come on. The anticipation is 20 seconds. It's killing. Ba-ba-da-ba. Woo.
What does it say?
Someone's
Daddy?
shy.
What
All right.
does it say?
I have to let everybody know that this show is edutainment. Stands for education and entertainment purposes only. It's not personal financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. Boom. Let's get to it, everybody. Oh my God.
Social
Media world.
I'm Catalina Lou, Upper Gorham Lou, and Cadence Lou, and this is 8 at 8 and immune start right now. Boom.
Boop. Just like that.
We're talking about cat today. My name. That's
Cat.
my birthday.
All right. And everybody, Cat is a industrial company, as you can see in the S&P 500. It is part of the industrials, XLI. And then we got everybody coming in today, and Lolo is here too as well. So let's take a break, everybody. Come here. Everybody. All right. Thank you, Lolo. Everybody's here. Okay. This is going to ruin my time. Hey, hey, hey. This is where my morning show. You can do that on the evening show, but not the morning show, okay? Yeah, I know. Okay, so we're talking about Cat. Let's talk about the company, okay? Let's just dive into it. We're going to get it real done fast. This is the company. It's a construction company, part of the XLI. It stands for Industrials. And we want to show you what it looks like if you're a positional trader. Everybody's a positional trader. You always have an entry or exit. Some people want dollar cost average. Some people want to buy and hold. But let's take a look at this chart, okay, Momoy? So, we're zooming in here. What do you think? Are we going to buy or are we going to hold this or are we going to sell it? What do you think?
Sell it.
You want to sell it? Well, you could be onto something right now, but I don't see 3 green arrows yet. I see 1 arrow here. The price has just moved above the cost of the 20-day average. Hey. At 20-day average, but there's a lot of selling pressure. Can you see selling? They started selling as in September because it was the winter time.
Yes.
And also, people are really fearful of this stock, right? And that was not fearful, but getting out in August, right? So, friendly, please. But people, obviously, if you are thinking about getting in again, haven't got the clear signals to get back in, but definitely the price has moved up, and we will see why as we dive deeper into this research. So, obviously, I would have gotten out here as well back in September. You got those clear signs that it is heading for a downward trend. But could we see a little reversal? That's what we could think of. Now we're talking about a swing. Oh, that's intraday. Hold on. Let's see here. Where's my swing? Oh, I've lost my swing. No, I gotta work on this for a second. So we gotta ignore this. This is actually not intraday. This is swing traders looking for momentum, not earning the spread. So I'm gonna have to get rid of these. I apologize. I don't know where this came from. We're not doing Fibonacci's. We're looking at Bollinger Bands for volatility. I don't know why that is showing up that way.
Or COVID-19.
Or COVID-19. All right. I only got a certain amount of time, so we're going to just dive into here. But look at this. Over the last couple of days, it's done a little bit of a spike. And let's see if I can zoom in a little further here. So, the highlights to show you what I see. First, I'm going to show you some red circles here. Obviously, it had a big gap down. Really disappointing earnings, right? So here, and that's what happens on an earning call. It wasn't what we expected, so around these times and dates, that's when things really kind of swing. But why, everybody, is this happening? Why do we have a gap up all of a sudden, like 15 days or 10 days later, right? You can see a whole bunch of buying dips Right here, here's another one. Look at that. Outside this band, that means there's a buying opportunity to get back in, get back in, get back in. And definitely, is it a time to get back out if you see the downward trend, or is it a total reversal, right? And as you can see, what is holding up this reversal right now in price? Not by sellers, but let's go to our wonderful news. And this is where investors, we got to dive a little bit deeper, all right? Was it an earnings call or economic event? So they had their earnings call right here. The next one is in April. Will they surprise us? Look at that. People are liking the little uptick here. As you can see before, it's done some really good numbers. Now it's getting back to it. So the sentiment for the stock is getting a little bit better, and they're surprising us. But is there something in the financial news? As you can see, this is the financial economic calendar. We're going to look in here to see what else is moving it today. Not a lot of U.S. reported. University of Michigan sentiment here. But this is what I wanted to show you, which came out in the news on February 8th. If you see this right here, I'm highlighting it, February the 8th. It jumps. One analyst said that they see a huge upside potential in CAT as a long-term strategy. Some analysts are pegging the price at 260 right now. As you can see right over there, it's at 216. And why did an analyst think that? And this is the news that came out. Boris Johnson, a Prime Minister of London, England, UK, he pledged this new plan, new Marshall Plan, to rebuild Ukraine. And you can see this date. I'm going to try to find a date here. Can you see that? I'm going to highlight it right here, March 8th as well, as rebuilding Ukraine. So here, they've just decided unanimously that they're going to just support Ukraine after all that construction. So I'm going to go back to the intraday charts. Let's see here. And I got all these circles. I don't know why this is all like this. I apologize. But if we go back to this chart on the 8th, you can see this is where that spike is, right? This is the 7th. Oh, that's a clock. Let's see what day this is. This is the 3rd, the 7th, and this is the 8th right here, as you can see. Right? You see the price just break out of the range that we had before. It even topped that Fibonacci ceiling that we had, the 206, and just is bouncing off that once was a ceiling and now up here. So what we can do is in our second month is do a nice little extension. And then this is a tool that I haven't showed you yet, but you usually take the bottom, you take the top of that, and then you can extrapolate that up above. So that's what we're going to do here. And let's extrapolate that up here and try to match it up. Looks like it matches up pretty well. So let's just drop it like it's hot. The extensions are a little different, so let's zoom in here. And booyah shakalaka. Love it. This is just today, as you can see. It opened in the close, or in after hours, it just did this severe drop, but now it's rectifying itself. Breaking through some wonderful ceilings at 214, 216. Now is that the new heights with all that support. Our next ceiling that we're looking for. So this is all you intraday traders. 216. It looks like we might have a new floor if it can hold, and it could go up. The next ceiling is 219. So that's a $3 spread. So those of you who are intraday traders, not swing traders, like it says up there, there's a nice $3 spread that you can make a difference on today. Boom! No, wrong one. Outro. That's the one. All right, everybody. I'm sorry, I'm having technical issues. I got all kinds of weird things going on here. I apologize, but we're gonna rectify that. It's Friday. The markets are kind of going crazy a little bit, up or down. I don't even know which way we're going, sideways. But all you can do is do some more studying, more research. I'm doing a little more studying here as well. Check this out. Ooh, that's all backwards, but it says candlestick charting patterns as well. I'm looking for some other clear reversals to show you as well. Maybe even some rotational kind of data, and see if I can incorporate that into next week's plan. But Fibonacci's are cool, but maybe you want to do more candlestick, and I have been doing a little bit more with candlesticks as well. So that's what I want to show you. But Fibonacci's are cool. Know that right now, I'm looking at it right now, looks like that floor is holding at 216.50. So we might go even test some new highs as well. 218 to 219 potentially for the day. So that's what I wanted to say. Hopefully you've gotten a lot out of this. We picked this just because the name is Kat, and I got my baby girl, Catalina. So good upside potential, I can see. Long-term play, right? We can see some signs of an early reversal in price, and hopefully we see that in our sellers as well. This is TikTok 20. We're done for this week. Monday we're gonna come back and we're gonna look at Costco. All right, everybody. This is TikTok 20, learning how to get in and out of the market, and also what the spreads are today. And last little version with Kat right here. That's a tough teacher right there. All right. Besides this, everybody, this Kat, it's her last day before
spring break.
I hope all you parents that are watching this start of the weekend, you have a good time with doing lots of good activities with your kids on spring break.
Peace out.